Would you believe this before turned into this? Because same, I had to run it back just to make sure it was real. Let me show you exactly how I made it happen.
This curl definition eats. I'm telling y'all, like, look at these curls, y'all. Alright guys, we're trying out some new products today. We're trying out the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Setting Foam in combination with the Xtreme Gel, Wetline Gel. So yeah, we're going to try this out and see how this combo goes. I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok using this combo, so we're going to test this out on my hair and let's keep on watching.
Alright guys, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I begin saturating each section with water. Next, I'm going in with the setting foam and applying it evenly from root to tips. This helps to enhance definition. Just look at the curl definition after just applying this one product. Next, I'm going in with the Wetline Xtreme Gel. This is your best friend for curl definition that lasts past day 1. Alright, so after applying the gel, I start to notice that I didn't have enough water in my hair, so that's why you guys see me go in and spray some more. Shingling is the last step in the process, but I'm telling you, this is the key to bringing those curls to life. Alright, so now I'm just going to repeat this process until my whole head is done. So I'm going to stop talking now and let's speed things up.
But you don't wanna fall apart, 'cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down.
So I just finished drying my hair, and so I'm about to band my hair so I can stretch it overnight. But yeah, I'm loving these results. The curls are very, very defined. It's day 1 hair, so as time goes along throughout the week, my hair is going to get bigger and fuller.
Before I close out this video, I just wanted to show you guys my hair on day 4, and the curls are still intact. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!